Harare Magistrate Felix Chakanyuka today denied Marry Mubaiwa bail in her application for permanent stay of persecution, a court order that prevents a trial from continuing. Addressing journalists after the trial, Mubaiwa's lawyer Beatrice Mtetwa said,
being remanded in hospital, it is logic that I simply cannot understand. It's admitted she was sick. She admits in a ruling that she was in hospital. So how it can be said that she is to blame for the delay beats me. That section requires her to look at whether or not there has been a delay. She has accepted that there was a delay. So for her to then rule that that delay was caused by her when she accepts she was sick doesn't make sense. She has made no comment whatsoever on whether or not her being sick and in hospital and having the delay is prejudicial to her. The section requires her to look at whether she has been prejudiced. It also requires her to look at whether the administration of justice is prejudiced. She said nothing about that. It also requires her to look at how the public views this. She did not do that. So, I'm obviously going to take her decision on review because she's basically saying we should have just said she should try her while she was in hospital.
Marry Mubaiwa is facing charges of attempting to kill Vice President Constantino Chiwenga by unplugging his life support system while he was in South Africa hospital. She will be back in court on December 4 when Vice President Constantino Chiwenga will appear for cross-examination.